Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is a processing. Supply of drinking water. Water is our life. Drinking water is supplied to every household. Besides the urban areas, it supplies in remote villages also. The process of supplying drinking water undergoes through some following steps. First, raw water is obtained from the soil. This water is purified by mixing it with alum to remove the foreign elements. Water is next reserved in a big tank. Then the water is filtered in filter beds. After this, super purification is carried out in the filter house by passing chlorine through the water. The filtered water is then tested to ensure its drinkworthiness. It is now taken into powerhouse and then this water is supplied to the users of the different areas. Thank you for watching. Please stay with me and like, share, subscribe.